next is the all or nothing assignment. Okay, so this is the just a method so that is been used for the trip from any origin to the destination. Mm. So this is origin, this is the destination. So this method, so from origin to destination, from any zone, okay, so that is been loaded in a single minimum cost. So the path between them, this model is a very unrealistic, as there is only a one path between the origin and the destination in the space that has been utilized, even in the, if there is any some other there is any other paths are there, so that is also been with this remains same. Okay, so or nearly this travel time it remains same. So this travel, so on this link, so that has been assigned with this various considerations. So whether or not there is an any sufficient capacity of the sufficient capacity is available or not, or very high congestions, high high congestions are there. So time travel, so in this fixed input. Okay, so in this fixed input, so what is the time travel, and the which does not vary with depending upon the this congestion on this links. So here the, however, this model may be reasonable in the some congested networks, mm, where there is a few, whether even though there is a few other alternative routes are there, so they have the large difference in this travel cost. So this model may be also, it is being used for identify the desired paths. So whatever the path which has been the path which is been used by the drivers, so that would like to travel in this absence of this congestions, whatever congestions are there, so in this absence they would like to travel in this path. So in this is the fact in which there is a model where it is having the most important in this practical application. So in this, whatever the facts, this model it has been practically, it has been applicable, so that it is act as a building block, building block for the other types of the assignments. So whatever the implications that can be applied, so this can be taken into consideration by using this model. So it has some limitations also, so that limitations that can be ignored in this model. So that is the fact, that is the fact between the link travel times, so that is a function of the link of the volume, and when there is a congestions, or that is the multiple paths, so that has been used to carry the traffic. Okay, so that is what the all or nothing assignment. Okay, got it. So apart from that, next we'll go for the what is the skimming tree. Okay, we'll go for the skimming tree. So skimming tree, so skimming tree, this is the there is a, if there is any origin which is being made at the completion of this pass through this algorithm. So there is a many algorithms are there for this compilations of this from one node to another. So all these nodes in the network, consider there is a network. Okay, so in this nodes are there, nodal network are there, so that has been arrived by one link to only to another link. So here the set of the paths from one node to from one node to another from the another edge, so that is called as tree. So I'll show you that in the figure. The in this the process of determining this minimal cost. Okay, you have to go from origin to destination in the minimal cost. So this minimal cost path is called as tree building. So this tree, all together, this tree together with the minimum path cost from an origin node to the destination node is referred as skimmed tank. Sorry, skimmed tree. Okay, that is referred as skimmed tree. Okay. So that is a very simple. So next I will show you the figure. This is the schema tree. Okay. This is the nodal points. Okay. So this is the connecting. A tree has been connected. Tree has been built. Okay. The process of determining this minimum cost path. Okay. So this is the tree building. This is one tree, then another tree, this is another tree, this is the another tree. Okay. So if you take a different zone, so this is all the different zones. Okay. So moving from one zone to another zone. Okay. So moving from one zone to another zone with the minimal cost. Okay. So the pattern which has been drawn, the what it has been drawn. So this is called as skimmed tree. Okay. So this is what is the node. Okay. So this is all nodes. This is all the nodes. Okay. So interconnecting between these nodes is links. Okay. So these links path from this whatever the paths are there, so that form the H. Okay. So that is known as tree. Okay. So but all this forming the particular from an origin node to destination node is called as skimmed tree. Okay. So this is about the skimmed tree. So if you understand clearly about what is node, what is link, what is flow, what is the gateway, so what is hub, what is feeder, what is corridor, then you go for the reading this scheme tree. So then it will be understand. So if I say origin node, tree building, schema tree and all, it is not able to understand so easily. So it is better to use the all the terminology whatever which is being used. You go to previous videos. Okay. So the first video in this model, so that where I explained the each and every term like the base I explained like basic elements of the transportation network. So where I explained about this node, link, flow, gateway and hub and feeder, and corridor. So all this term I explained in a very simplest way, and no need of memorizing the definitions and all. So just you try to know what is that, then you can explain this schema tree. Okay. So that's about the schema tree.